it's Emily. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or thank you for visiting if you happen to be here for the first time. In today's video, we're going to be going over some quick and easy toddler DIY Christmas gifts. Whether you want to make some homemade gifts for loved ones or just want to have some keepsakes for yourself, then this video is just for you. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I have 4 gift ideas to share with you today. One of them is a toy, one of them is just a keepsake item, and 2 of them are ornaments. So let's start with painting first. You can do this activity any time of year. It definitely does not have to be around Christmas, but my son made these paintings and it's just watercolor paint on canvas. So to make this activity, you will need just a canvas. I got mine at my local dollar store, but you can also get them at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, probably Target, but they're obviously really cheap at the dollar store, just $1 each, and I got 2 different sizes. And then I got some watercolor paint from Target that was just $4. So I think this is a really easy gift. I'm going to be giving these to Landon's grandparents, but you could also keep these for yourself. Your child could make a whole string of paintings and then you could just hang them up, or if you wanted to give them to friends, if your friends have children, then this could be a great gift from child to child. So this is idea number 1. The next gift idea that I had is this DIY ribbon hand kite. And this is a really cute toy. If your child is into dancing or music, then I think this is something that they would really, really like. And it has the bells on it, so it makes noise. It's a good sensory toy. If you have a smaller little one, you just have to watch them to make sure they don't eat the ribbons, obviously, or try to eat the bells. The ribbons are tied pretty tight, so I don't think that the bells falling off should be an issue. But I think that this is really pretty and really special, and since it's homemade, it makes it even more special. So this would be a really great gift if you wanted to give this to a friend's child, or if you just wanted to give it to your child for Christmas. It's a really special homemade gift. You could easily put it in a stocking as a stocking stuffer or wrap it up, of course. This activity does not involve your child. I just did this last night. It only took me about 15 minutes to do. Super, super simple. Supplies needed to make this ribbon hand kite is a wooden ring. I did not use a wooden ring. I used the inner piece for a plastic cross-stitch hoop or embroidery hoop. I have so many embroidery hoops and I know that I wasn't going to use this one, so it's just plastic. But if you want to buy a wooden ring, then that's the official supply for a hand kite. So I used the embroidery hoop, and then you'll need ribbons. Bells are optional, some scissors to cut the ribbons, and a measuring tape. And then if you want to prevent the ribbon ends from fraying, then you'll need a lighter just to singe the ends of the ribbon. So I'm going to be giving this to Landon for Christmas in his stocking. The next 2 DIY Christmas gift ideas are both ornaments. So one of these involves your child, and one of these I just did by myself when Landon was asleep. So I'm going to start with the salt dough ornament first. Last year I did this too, and I decided to continue the tradition this year. I made some salt dough ornaments last year of Landon's handprint, and this year I decided to do footprint as well. So here are the footprint ornaments. I made 3 footprints. So 1 for each set of grandparents, and then keeping 1 for myself as well. But these are the other 2, and these are the handprint ornaments. To make the handprint ornament, you'll need to make some salt dough. And salt dough is extremely easy to make. It's literally just all-purpose flour, salt, and water. And I have a video showing how to make salt dough. Super, super easy. It does require some kneading of the dough, like 10 minutes of kneading, but it really wasn't bad as long as you just put a little bit of oomph and elbow grease into it. The salt dough ornaments, all you'll need is the dough, and then don't forget to cut a little, you're gonna cut a little hole in the dough before you bake it I just used a plastic straw to cut a hole in it, or you can stick a pencil end down in there and kind of wiggle it around, pull out the piece of dough, and then you'll have your hole. And then you'll need some ribbon as well. And then the last toddler DIY Christmas gift idea I have are these length keepsake ornaments. And what you do is you would have to measure your child. So whether you can use just a regular measuring tape or you can use a fabric measuring tape, works best that I find. So you would measure your baby or your child, and then you measure out a piece of ribbon to whatever length your baby or child is, and then you would place it inside an empty glass or plastic orb, ornament orb, I don't know, ornament orb, whatever this is. So you would place the ribbon inside the ornament, and then I printed off these, the little phrase onto a piece of glitter scrapbooking paper. And it says, "This ribbon is very special, as you will soon see. Take it out and you will find that it's the same size as me. Keep this to remember how little I was in 2019. Love, Landon." And the supplies needed to make the length keepsake ornaments are ribbon, glass or plastic ornament balls, a measuring tape, scrapbook paper, a hole punch, scissors, and then the printed phrase. Okay guys, that is going to be it for me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it gave you some ideas on some quick and easy toddler DIY gifts that you could do just in time for Christmas. If you liked any part of this video or found it helpful or entertaining, would you please give it a thumbs up? And if you want to see more videos from me, then be sure to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!